Hi, I'm Joey Lee from Taipei, and in Hackweek, my idea is try to hack the zip drive, that is zip drive. I want to hack a zip drive because I want to hack the some stuff about the ATA. ATA and ATAPI protocol in kernel, and currently there have some bug related to a zip device on my hand, so I want to try to hack it. This is one zip drive I buy from the internet, and originally it's used for the SIM pad. I'm not sure. I need to find out the connection. The connection is different between the IDE standards, so I need to find out the connection definition for the connect. So my idea is first I want to hack the zip drive, and second, another things is I will help Gary Lin and Wojtek to investigate some thing about the UEFI boot, secure boot. Secure boot. We want to look at currently the Red Hat status and the kernel option status about maybe how to develop the Linux kernel to adapt to the secure boot. This is my idea. So my idea is trace the zip stuff and zip and ATA and ATAPI stuff. And the other one is trace something about the UEFI secure boot. That's my idea. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Chen. My Hackweek topic is ELILO load verified signed UEFI images. The topic is to use the UEFI existing UEFI service functions to do the secondary check-ins. So the kernel have to be built with the EFI stub. Then we have to patch ELILO to load the EFI stub kernel, and we can use embedded. We can embed the certificate in the ELILO, and the ELILO can use the certificate to verify the images. Yeah, this is basically the idea. So, if we have time, I will also try to update the authenticated variables database. Maybe this is to be decided. I think it's like we can remotely sign the UEFI variable, and we can pass sign the variable to the firmware. It's not work on local machines. That's in the remote. So yeah, this maybe if we have to support secure boot, maybe we have to support users to update the secondary database. Sorry, it's not to support users. We have to provide the functions that user could update the database, because we may have to revoke the keys, or we have to add some signature. So I mean, we have an update. Yeah. So this is my Hackweek topic. Thank you.
Hi, this is Gary, and This is my Hackweek topic, Secure Boot. And Secure Boot is the new feature provided by UEFI. UEFI is proposed to replace current and legacy BIOS, and it provides some new features. Secure Boot is one of the features, and it's verify the bootloader, so it can provide a secure way to prevent any other malicious program to be loaded. But the problem is Secure Boot needs some more support in our distro, like OpenSUSE or Slate. So, and in the end of the year, and most of the notebook will start to support Secure Boot. So this is maybe we have to do something to support it. And now I will team up with Voitech or Joey if it is available, and we will explore any possible solution. Nowadays we know there are two solutions, but very very simple solution. Like in Fedora and Ubuntu, they just verify the bootloader, and for Ubuntu they verify the bootloader, and they provide their own key in the UEFI BIOS. But in Fedora they try to prevent some. They provide a simple bootloader called Shin, SIHAHIN, and to then Chen load the grub too. And now, but the problem is it's only provide a very simple verification, but it not just for the bootloader, not include the kernel. So maybe we will find some possible solution to include the kernel verification or the kernel module verification, but it's only just we just to try to find any possible solution. That's it.
Hi, I'm El. The topic of my Hackweek is improved A2DP support for BlueZ, improved support for synchro and coexistence with HFP gateway rule. This is I am going to do for this week.
Hello, I'm Chen. My Hackweek topic is Open vSwitch. Open vSwitch is a flexible and multi-layer network switch, typically used in virtualization environment as a network switching component. It provides virtual machine network connectivity. I would like to make Open vSwitch in OpenSUSE. I'm going to work on how to install Open vSwitch in OpenSUSE and how to create an Open vSwitch instance. The rest is attach the virtual machines to the vSwitch. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Max Lin. The Hackweek, my topic is I plan to make a KD module with a daemon or just a tool. The target is that I want to sync my KD desktop data with another KD machine. So that means I will put my data to somewhere, and my RSKD machine can sync with it. The concept similar, like a clone can sync its data with another clone in another machine. So I would like to sync my desktop configuration and work papers, and account settings, blah 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 like that. So where I will put my data, currently I plan to use the on cloud. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Chen, and the topic of my Hackweek is going to talk about the Mac A0211 and the CFG A0211. Here we can see user space has a lot of applications such as IW or WP subbackend, and in the driver's list we were going to have a ATH9K or IWLH for the Wi-Fi driver. So my focus is going to be on the relationship between the Mac A0211 and the CFG A0211, such as, I'm going to give you an example, such as if we are going to do a scan function from the user space, and we will see the path, the flow, how the user space command a scan function through the CFG A0211 and to the Mac A0211, and how they are working together, and finally how the commands will be in the driver and how driver work for this command. So this is my topic for this week, and others like the authentication or the connection functions. So my purpose for the Hackweek is to figure out how they work together, what's the relationship between. So I will study a little bit like a frame. In the Mac layer, so there are a lot of description in the frame. Here we are gonna have a lot of skill buffer which define the control ID. Yeah, a lot of the data here. So I will do a little bit study of the frame, the frame definition, such those data, what is inside those data. So this is my topic for this Hackweek. Thank you.
Hello everybody. My name is Ben. Actually, I have no fantastic topic to hack at this moment. Thus, I plan to focus on study topic in order to improve my knowledge for Linux kernel. Because I have planned to this topic for some time, but there is no suitable time to go through the topic before. I would like to learn the semi-kernel process. After I get familiar to the process, I would like to do some exercise about the tools to deal with patches. It can help me to find out root cause of the bug faster and more easily in the future. I think it is useful way to co-work with developer more closely as well. Furthermore, I will also focus on wireless and Wi-Fi drivers. I'm going to check out some Wi-Fi drivers such as Intel IW Wi-Fi, as well as ATH9K, routing RT2X00, and so on. Last, my target is analyze the best kernel framework of wireless driver. If the time is permitted, I would like to trace the kernel source to analyze the driver operation.
Hello, this is Chen. I'm the project manager for the BlueZ solution, and I'm based at Taiwan. As we know, the company this year trying to focus on several areas. For example, the cloud computing and the enterprise solution. So I would like to take a chance at this Hackweek and try to install the CDPH on the HP 2C12 BlueZ image. And I would like to try to follow the wiki page the internet and then install and pay a one and try to figure out what is going on there. Thank you.